When tax season rolls around, not everyone needs a complex or expensive filing service. If your return is straightforward, two affordable options stand out: TaxAct and FreeTaxUSA. Both help you file quickly, accurately, and without spending a fortune. TaxAct is a long-standing name in online tax preparation. It aims to deliver professional-grade accuracy at a lower price than the big players. The layout feels familiar if you have used other major tax software. It walks you through each step with plain language questions about your income, deductions, and life events. For a simple return, you can usually complete the process in under an hour. One of TaxAct's key strengths is its structure. The software gives you control. You can jump between sections or make edits without starting over. It also provides built-in calculators, refund previews, and a summary that updates as you go. For peace of mind, TaxAct includes accuracy and maximum refund guarantees, plus optional audit support if you want extra help later. TaxAct does charge a small fee for state returns, but even with that, it remains one of the most affordable full-service tax platforms. It also allows you to import data from past years and store returns securely in your account, making next year's filing easier. For filers who like a bit more guidance and structure but do not want premium pricing, TaxAct is a comfortable middle ground. Now let's talk about FreeTaxUSA. As the name suggests, this one focuses on keeping costs as low as possible. It is free to file a federal return, and the only charge is a small fee for each state return. Despite the low cost, it covers all the essential tax forms most individuals need, including W-2 income, dependents, student credits, and common deductions. FreeTaxUSA's interface is clean and straightforward. It walks you through the filing process with simple prompts. And you can easily skip sections that do not apply to you. It also stores your prior year information for free, so repeat filing is fast. The biggest surprise is how much value you get without paying a subscription. Refund tracking, electronic filing, and instant confirmation are all included. If you want more support, FreeTaxUSA offers a low-cost upgrade called Deluxe, which adds live chat help and audit assistance. Even with those extras, it stays cheaper than most competitors. It is ideal for confident filers who want a reliable tool to submit their returns without paying for features they will not use. If you like structure, accuracy guarantees, and a little extra support, go with TaxAct. If your return is simple and you just want the fastest, cheapest way to file correctly, FreeTaxUSA will get the job done beautifully. Both options let you file quickly, securely, and affordably, proving you do not have to pay premium prices for a stress-free tax season.